first thing we need to do is to find a suitable target with which we can attack. For this we use nmap using the following command. We are looking for the vulnerability of MS17010. Now we know that this PC is vulnerable, we can now search for the exploit in Metasploit. Highlighted is the particular exploit we're after. Next we need the OS being used. This can be retrieved with the following command. Now we need to set all the options required to perform this attack. Note, set options according to the architecture used on the target machine. For x64 use x64 settings, for x86 use x86 settings. Now to double check the entered option settings. And don't forget the most important option, our hosts. Ignore these two errors as the exploit works OK with them. The exploit was successful. We have a current session. Now to ensure we have a persistent foothold against a shutdown or restart, we next need to gain admin rights and, more importantly, persistence. The command get PID will return the process ID of our current session. Next we use migrate to jump into a less obvious process. With that done, we next need to ensure we have persistence on this machine. We do this by searching for the persistence module. Now type search persistence. Highlighted is the module we'll be using. You can type use followed by the module number to activate that module. Enter option values to your liking. I am using obvious names in order to identify this process in the target's task manager. When entering the remote exe path value, you will have to enter 2 backslashes to separate directories, and a trailing black backslash is not needed. Lastly, enter the correct session number in the session field. Persistence has now been successful. Now the DoublePulsar backdoor has been successfully installed, executing the following nmap commands should now report that the DoublePulsar backdoor has been detected on the machine. And as you can see, nmap has in fact detected the presence of the DoublePulsar backdoor on the target machine. Now to check the persistence capability of the exploit. First, I'll simulate my Kali machine being turned on after the target PC has been booted. I'll simulate this by killing all current sessions. Under tests I've carried out, it appears that the exploit startup as x86 architecture, but once this session has been started, it's a simple task to upgrade to x64 by using the migrate function within a Meterpreter shell. Now I set up a new listener using the module exploit multi-handler using the new 4443 port as the listening port. And as soon as the listener is activated, the handler immediately captures the incoming connection. So that test checks out. Now for the next test. I will kill all sessions and shut down the infected PC and reboot. Another quick check to ensure the options are correct, remembering that the initial session will be x86. Now the infected target has restarted, we will again start the multi-handler exploit. With the sending stage message, we have now gained a persistence on the infected machine. As stated previously, once this new session is opened, upgrading to x64 can be accomplished via the Meterpreter shell with the migrate command.